Oh shit, I haven't got any brakes, I can't hold the reins. Oh fuck. Now we're about to be mobbed. No, you fucker. Oh look, that one's coming over. No, 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 go to Bethan. She's the one who's coming over to you. Oh fuck. Ah, Kennel!
They're quite nice, aren't they?
Ah, Kennel! Bethan! That's lovely, that chestnut.
It is, isn't it? It looks old, isn't it?
Ha. Oh, it really likes kelp. Wow, I've got this on film.
Keep on it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that chestnut's a bit of a bite, isn't it?
Yeah, fucking hell, it's shit.